One of the most common questions we get, can this dent be fixed with paintless dent repair? And the answer is, it depends. Every dent is unique, but we can help you figure it out. I'm Tom with Midwest Auto Dent Repair, and in this video, we'll show you what kind of damage can be repaired with PDR and what might need something more. What's possible with paintless dent repair has come a long way. We're fixing damage today that most people, including body shops, would have written off just a few years ago. Let's start with what can be repaired using paintless dent repair. Small door dings, the classic parking lot kind, are nearly always repairable. Hail damage, that's one of the most common things we fix, and we can often remove dozens or even hundreds of dents without touching the paint. Large dents, yes large, can often be repaired too, as long as the metal isn't too sharp or overstretched and the paint is intact. We fixed panels from deer strikes, shopping cart hits, people falling onto vehicles, and even kicked or punched doors from vandalism. You'd be surprised at what's possible, especially when the metal is accessible and the damage isn't extremely sharp. Now let's talk about what cannot be repaired with paintless dent repair, at least not to the level we're known for. If the paint is cracked, peeling or missing, that typically means it's no longer a candidate for paintless dent repair, unless you would like us to apply touch-up paint to the damaged area after the dent is repaired. Same goes for crushed panels, sharp dents that are overstretched, or impact points where metal has collapsed in on itself. If your vehicle has collision damage, things like metal bumper hits, deep creases through the body lines, broken parts, or panel misalignment, that's usually a job for a traditional body shop. Paintless dent repair is incredibly effective, but it's designed for preserving panels, not rebuilding them. Let us be your first stop. If the damage is beyond what paintless dent repair can fix, we'll gladly connect you with a trusted collision center you can count on. Paintless dent repair is a powerful solution, but it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. From tiny dings to surprisingly large dents, we can fix a lot more than most people think. If you're not sure whether your damage qualifies, schedule a quick inspection with us. We'll take a look under the right lighting, give you honest feedback, and let you know if it's something we can fix, or if a traditional body shop is the better fit. You can call or send a text to the number below, or visit us on the web at midwestautodentrepair.com. Either way, we'll help you make the right decision. No pressure, no guessing.